Okay, so here's the deal, guys. I'm going on another motorcycle ride just because I like the idea of when I did it the last time, and hopefully, all the way to the bridge, you guys can track with me and see me because it's like 9 something and I just took a shower. I'm on call technically, so I have my radio with me in case these people call me for whatever emergency. And I just got off, and it's about 9:15 sunset hour, you can see. So I'm about to go. I know, looking at my face, it doesn't seem like it's 9:15, but it's around that time, and I'm about to set up for another motorcycle video. It should be another 5 minutes long. And here's the thing: in India, we have places called addas. Addas are basically just hangout spots that you frequent to quite a bit. And I just happen to have one here, which is like 15 minutes away by your other vehicle, your 2 feet. By the way, here's a motorcycle. Vroom vroom. If you didn't know, those are my pronouns, by the way. And I will just set you guys up so you guys can see me like that. Set up the mic. By the way, this is literally why I built this hoodie company, and I'm starting this hoodie company, is because of things like this. Last minute rides, just grab the hoodie and go. I'm not even wearing a t-shirt underneath this, by the way. Just a tank top. That seems pretty firm. I don't think that's going anywhere. And straighten that up so you guys can see me and I can see you. Perfect. You hear that? It's the sound of perfection. It's called a motorcycle engine. All motorcycles are perfect. Can't say that about a lot of people though, for some reason. Don't need to cold start it because it's summer. And because it's a cruiser. If it was a Harley, I probably would, but this one's RPMs are so naturally low that I don't find myself doing anything. It's usually the Harley that I had the hardest time with, because what it would do, yeah, look ma, no hands. So what I would find myself doing with the Harley is, as soon as you fire it off, it would go out to like 2000 RPM, 2500 RPM, and then you'd have to just sit there for like 5 or 10 minutes until it settled down to like 800 RPM. But this one, you just start it off and you can kind of hear how slow it is, so it doesn't really matter. And it's not mine, by the way. This is one of my friend's motorcycles. He's probably the only friend I have on this ranch, fellow staff member. It was just me and him in a cabin and one other guy for like a few weeks before anybody else showed up. And it's kind of, I guess that's what we can talk about in this video, because I don't have a specific agenda to talk about love. It's not like I'm on a 50-minute motorcycle ride. And so sometimes when people say like God provides for you, here's the thing. I've seen God provide things for me with my name on it, quite literally. If any of you know the cycle story, you know that God will provide things for you with your name on it, quite literally. And that's something I saw when someone gifted me a cycle. And I was happy because my name was on it. And he said, God wanted me to give it to you. He happened to put my name on it. I meet people that are just kind like this for some reason. And it's just the way that my nature and who God designed me to be attracts these types of people in my life, where people just provide trust with things that belong to them. Damn, swallowed a bug. I don't even have water, so. Oh well, protein. Now I know that there's a dip here. Haha, gotcha. So I'm slightly getting addicted to this type of videoing. It's fun, and we're 5 minutes in, and you guys get to see me raw, dude. Nobody gets to see me like this except for people that are close to me. Unless you were sitting on the back of the bike, you all would never see this. And I can't fit all 800 of you on the motorcycle, so this is one way to get done with that. And we are almost at the bridge. Almost, like probably another 1 minute or 30 seconds. There's a big tree back here, by the way. Very big. Looks like a very kind tree. Looks like the dad tree. I don't know for what reason, but it just. I looked at that tree once and I just. So big, I thought it was the dad. And yeah, I have a bunch of stuff to do early in the morning tomorrow, so I just came here for some peace of mind. And I just wanted to tell you, like, if you're a good person, if you are who God created you to be, you will end up with people who will allow you to use their motorcycle as if it was your own, who will allow you to use their diesel pickup truck as if it was your own. And you find yourself with this natural brotherhood, and it's like, yeah, you deserve this because you're finally who you're meant to be. So why wouldn't I want this for you? Look at that. I wish I could show you guys what it looks like right now, but unfortunately, unlike the Instagram camera, I can't switch things. So that's the motorcycle just idling. That's the riverbank. This is the bridge. And that, guys, guess where is me? I just had to try that one. There's the other side of the river. So you guys can kind of see why I like this spot. You know, I never thought I'd be filming content like this, but I guess here we are. And yes, I just took a shower, so I'm making sure my hair sets in right. But yeah, I want you guys to think for a minute. I'm just going to shut the motorcycle off. I want you guys to think for a solid minute about how you guys can have a life like this. I'm not flexing something that I have. All I have is God and His provision in my life. Most mornings I try to keep a level head and just say, you know what, God? I revoke the provision of man and I proclaim your provision alone, Jehovah Jireh. And I allow Him room to provide for me. I allow Him to use me to provide for other people in doing so as well. And sometimes provision exceeds the bounds of just providing for you, but using you to provide for others. And that's just all I am. Like, I'm not going to lie on social media for clout, if that's what you call it, or likes and follows. I am who I am, and like, I'm in a hoodie. I'm trying to start this company. This company isn't even like established yet. All I have is just a few demo pieces and a logo. That's it. Like, it's not fancy. All I have is just a few agendas in mind, and I'm not selling anything to anybody. I'm just showing you who I am. And that bug really got to me. And I just want you guys, I want the best for you guys. I want a life like this for you guys, where you have things that are your own, you have things that belong to you. You also have things that other people love to give to you because they know you're trustworthy. And you know what that's a reflection of? That's usually a reflection of how much God can trust you. So when other people offer you things like this, it's usually a reflection of how much God can entrust you with. God trusts me enough to allow other people to extend an olive branch, and that olive branch looks like a diesel pickup truck, which is expensive, and a Honda Shadow 1100. So yeah, sometimes you just have to be the person that God trusts to that degree, and that means being who you're meant to be. And I want that for you. I want you to be ruthless in your identity, and it'll work out. I know you guys can do it. If I can do it and you guys listen to me, I know you guys can do it. So enjoy. Have a great evening, guys, or have a great rest of the day. And if you want, my podcast episode is out. There is one that released yesterday. It's called All Time Highs. It's things I learned about on the basis of, well, just me publishing books, me writing, editing, and publishing books. What I learned about all time highs and how to normalize them. And I have a podcast coming out tomorrow, podcast episode. I'll be doing 3 podcast episode a week till the end of July, and then in August I do 2 a week. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then by August it'll be Monday and Friday. So stay tuned, because some of this is going to get really deep, and they're just raw, genuine thoughts before they even come out on YouTube, and a lot of stuff that I don't even talk about on YouTube. So you want to stay tuned to that. And it's digestible. It's pretty much like the length of this video, anywhere between 5 minutes to 20 minutes. And the longest one I just scheduled yesterday was like 40 minutes long, and it's because I compressed an entire YouTube video into an audio file and then uploaded it on Spotify. So other than that, you'll just be dealing with 5 to 20 minutes. So enjoy.